Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear brothers, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. This is Mega Goal 2, Unit 4, Lesson 2. Let's start, please. Well, today we'll be talking about some modal verbs. Can't, could, couldn't, must, may, or might. And we have a new usage for these modal verbs. Okay? Just imagine that if you want to guess, to suppose, speculate, you can use these modal verbs. We use can't, must, may, or might to make suppositions, to speculate about something, guessing, and to draw conclusions. We use must to say we are sure of something. So first of all, if you are sure of something, I can use the word must. Again, number one, the first situation, I'm sure of this thing. That means I can use the word or the modal must. Use can't or couldn't to say that we think something is impossible. Here in the second situation, also I am sure. But I'm sure that this thing is impossible. Again, I'm sure that this thing is impossible. So I can use can't or couldn't. What about if something is possible? It might happen. In this situation, we can use may, might, or could to say that something is possible. Look at the example here. We have a present situation. We have a past situation. The first one, it can't be a balloon. Well, I said here it can't. That means I'm sure this is impossible to be a balloon. Balloons are not shaped like that. It might be a glider. This is important because here I'm not sure. That's why I use the word might. Look at the last one. It must be a helicopter. It must. That means I'm sure. Of course, you can see that can't be, might be, and must be. Can't be, that means I'm sure the thing is impossible. Might be, I think there is a possibility for this. The last one, must be, I'm sure the thing is a helicopter. I have the same situation here, but in the past. So simply, the past of can't is couldn't, have been a balloon. Might, it will be might have been. And must should be must have been. Again, the past form of can't is could have been. Can, could have been, or can't, couldn't have been. What about might? It will be might have been. So might is the same word, but it should be, you should add have been. The same like must be, it will be must have been. So simply again, present form can't be, the past is couldn't have been. Present form might be, the past form might have been. Present form must be, so the past form is must have been. Must have been. Okay, let's move to the exercise. Yes, this one is very important. Complete the sentences using a can't, must, or might. So you have to decide whether the sentence here, you are sure about the sentence, you are not sure, or you are sure it's impossible. The first one, you haven't eaten all day, you be starving. So somebody hasn't eaten all day. So I'm sure that he's very hungry, starving. Yes, so the answer will be excellent, must. Must be starving. What about number two? Bat is joking. She, yes, she's joking, kidding. So I'm sure that she is not serious. So she can't be. Very good. She can't be. What about number three? Ahmed has been studying all afternoon. He, well, if somebody has been studying all afternoon. That means for sure he must be tired now. He must be tired now. What about number 4? I'm not sure of the way there. Let's ask my father. He drive us there. Well, in this situation, I'm going to ask my father, but I don't know whether he will accept or refuse. I'm not sure. So it should be might drive us there. Good. Might drive us there. Number 5, I can't find my keys anywhere. I have lost them. Well, if you can't find your keys, that means for sure you have lost them. That means I'm sure I have lost them. That means I must have lost them. The last one, who is at the door? It be Maryam. She is abroad with her parents. So if someone is on the door, that means I can say it must be Maryam if I'm waiting for her, or it can't be Maryam if I don't think she is. Well, he said here she's abroad. What does the word abroad mean? Abroad, that means outside the country. So for sure this is not Maryam because she is not in the country. So the answer will be can't be. It can't be Maryam. So don't forget, please, we use these models if you want to guess something, or even if you are sure about something. I use must if I'm sure. I use can't if I am sure this thing is impossible. And I use might if I'm not sure. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you very soon, inshallah.